You probably have an IT guy that you're happy with. He takes care of things, fixes your computers, and if you're lucky, takes the time to sit down and discuss business with you. But did you know that there's an even better way to manage your company's IT infrastructure? Our managed IT services are more than just fixing computers. We provide you with a technology platform to build your business upon. And when your technology is tuned to the field your company operates in, your business excels. Computers are the core to the management of any business. When technology investments fail, every aspect of your business comes to a grinding halt. Productivity stops, payroll money is wasted, customers and clients become incensed, taking their business elsewhere, and your financial losses increase by the minute. Computer problems aren't just a nuisance, they're a disaster. Frustrating, isn't it? Your company needs and deserves the best IT services available to ensure it functions at its maximum efficiency at all times. Our managed IT services ensure you have a fully functional IT network, resulting in maximum operational efficiencies, improved staff morale, happy clients, and ultimately, skyrocketing profitability. Did you know having our team of technology professionals maintain your business IT is often more cost-effective than hiring your own computer tech? Plus, instead of just one resource, you have access to our entire team of certified and trained technology professionals. Give us a try today. Email or call us to book a no-obligation review of your current IT infrastructure and see how we can help you in the future.